सो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज योर फेवरेट मोटो ब्लॉगर रॉयल श्री। और आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ एक ऐसा तड़कता भड़कता वीडियो जो जान के आप बहुत ही खुश हो जाएंगे। आज जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो मेरे पीछे, मैं ऐसी जगह पे बैठा हूँ जहाँ पे कुछ आपके लायक चीज़, मेरे लायक चीज़ और सबके लायक चीज़ है। तो यस, आई थिंक आपने राइट गेस किया है। मैं एक राइडिंग गियर्स के स्टोर में बैठ चुका हूँ। आपके भाई ने मुंबई में, साउथ मुंबई में एक राइडिंग स्टोर ओपन किया है। तो इसके बाद आपको थोड़ी सी उसकी झलक दिखाई जाएगी, जिसकी ओपनिंग कल यानी कि 10 नवंबर 10 नवंबर 2022 को हुई है। और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से उसकी ओपनिंग हुई है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से उसकी ओपनिंग हुई है। बहुत से दिग्गज लोग आए थे, बहुत से राइडर्स आए थे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड आई विल शो यू द ग्लिम्स ऑफ the grand opening of a new shop.
I've been drinking, I be stopping. All I do is win, boy. I've been drinking, I be stopping on their heads like. I've been drinking, I be stopping. Keep it moving for these haters. I've been drinking, I be stopping on their heads like. I've been drinking, I be stopping. All I do is win, boy. I've been drinking, I be stopping on their heads like. I've been drinking, I be stopping. Keep it moving for these haters. I've been drinking, I be stopping on their heads like. I've been drinking, I be stopping. All I do is win, boy. I've been drinking, I be stopping on their heads like. I've been drinking, I be stopping. Keep it moving for these haters. I've been drinking,
Thank you for coming for this grand opening of Gear Up. So I officially honor ये बोलता हूँ कि आज से Gear Up स्टोर आप सबके लिए ओपन है. So once again thanks and congratulations to all. Yes. And thank you to all क्योंकि आपकी सपोर्ट की वजह से ये सब कुछ हो रहा है. And the biggest support I have today in my store is Meril and Anaida. Because in this community, यहाँ पे बहुत support मिलता है, but the support they have given to me, it's really very grateful. And Meril, especially she has come from Delhi just for this opening, and Anaida ने उसका busy schedule से time निकाला है, so very thankful to both of you guys. So I'll request them to say 2 words, please.
Mine is 5.
I just wanted to say congratulations and I wish you a really easy, smooth and very prosperous business because you're a very special man, you're very talented, you're very intelligent and you love life. So combining all those together must be really fun. So all the best wishes from my side for a really good business. Thank you.
Okay, and my 5 words begin.
Yes.
Okay, first is about you as a person, and that's the reason I'm here, because you are a really nice human.
Thank you.
And that's something that we need to start encouraging in people, to be helpful, to be there by your friends, and you've always been there for me. And that's the reason I'm here, right here for you.
Thanks.
And I wishing you the best for what you do. And as a biker, I always say there is no chance to sit on your scooty even without gears.
Yes.
That's the reason Gear Up is going to be so important for the biker community. As you see, I did my first shopping.
Thank you.
And I want this grow bigger and bigger because first it's about your business,
Yeah.
and second is about everyone's responsibility to be alive and safe.
Yes.
And that comes with what you are giving and offering to the rider community. And I just hope this grow bigger and bigger and we'll all be happy, riding together, safe, going back to our families. Thank you and congratulations.
So now the snacks time भूख लगा यार सुबह से. चलो म्यूजिक.
Yeah. Here, this one. We say the rate for you.
No, please, whatever is your price. Yeah. First day पे discount बाद में लेंगे. आज आपका price होना चाहिए.
So, I'll give you a bag for this.
No, I'm good. Don't.
Thank you very much.
अरे मेरा box में दे दो आंटी.
We are busy.
Oh, sorry.
You can be in the video too. Who likes the biking more amongst you? Whoa! Why is she gonna be a biker? Why not? Look at him! Why is she gonna be a biker? Of course she can be a biker. But now she likes it.
It's faltu faltu.
Nay, faltu nahi hai. Now she wants it. Now she wants to be a biker. It's not faltu. It's okay, right? Ah.
She's doing riding.
Faltu riding hai. She's riding faltu. Now it's not faltu anymore.
आपका सॉन्ग है.
Is that
Come on, we.
Oh, what it
Done.
Perfect, thank you.
Congratulations.
Guys, we have the first sale. No.
You are such a.
Okay, listen. First cash payment.
Okay, first Google Pay.
Digital payment.
I knew you were going to do something.
First Google Pay was cash
Gonna
payment.
be my first payment. He's like, let me pay first.
So he's silently
I did
over there.
no. What happened is, I did not even want to walk out of here without
Without
paying.
paying, yeah,
So I
yeah,
said,
yeah.
I said, you take first cash. He says, no, for you. I said, no. MRP, discount you give me when I come in without Maran.
Exactly.
I said, you charge me MRP. You don't give me discount today.
Absolutely. He's there.
What you want, you don't love me, don't you?